will get on after leaving school. I will get my career started. Are you aged 16 to 17? Have you left school? Are you unemployed? Then a traineeship could be perfect for you. It's brilliant. If you like working with computers, then how about a traineeship in IT? Or if you're creative, then a media traineeship could be just right for you. Like all traineeships, it gives you the chance to get your hands on the equipment, learn how to work as a team, and find out about a whole range of jobs within the media industry.
It's a good course, friendly, meet new people, gain lots of experience in media. It's not just one particular topic, it's photography, video editing, animation, graphics.
I'm enjoying it, yeah, it's good fun. It's good learning new skills and meeting new people. When I was at school, I did a lot of ICT, and I think an ambition for me is I want to do screenplay writing and write films and produce films. It's great because we're learning about all different camera techniques, all the editing software like Final Cut and iMovie.
I did a lot of animation work, which at first I wasn't really comfortable with doing because it's something new to me. But Mike Roberts, my tutor, helped me through it, so I was able to get into my comfort zone. We've had a lot of opportunity to work in professional studios, and we got to work at Boomerang Studio, where we had a lot of space and a lot of equipment too.
It showed me something different, what it's like being in an actual studio, being in front of a camera, being behind the camera and everything. But it was good. It was a good experience.
That's what a traineeship is all about, giving you the opportunity through work placements and through your provider's links with industry to see what life is like in your chosen sector. It's also about helping you to grow in confidence, because the more you learn, the more faith you'll have in your own abilities.
I did lack confidence when I came in here first, and I found that my confidence grew as the course went on.
So you don't really have to be very confident because you will get confident as it progresses, because you will have to work together.
A traineeship is perfect if you left school not knowing what you want to do. It will give you the time to try out different skills and open doors for you. Whether you want to continue your learning, go on to college after you finish your traineeship, do an apprenticeship, or find a job.
Planning to go to college in September to do a level 2 media course. Then after that, I'd probably end up going on to do a level 3, which is A-levels, and maybe going to university.
I've applied to do level 2 at college, and I hope that will take me on to A-level film studies, and then I would like to go on to do university as well.
So if you want to get on like these trainees, then you know what you've got to do. Get on a traineeship. I will get on after leaving school. I will think about a traineeship in IT or media.